In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up custom domain and email in System. This process helps you connect your own domain to System.io, and it also lets you set up a sender email address for emails you send from your account. The goal is to make your branding look consistent and professional, while ensuring your email sending works smoothly. To begin, you first need to open your account settings. Look at the top area of your System.io dashboard, and then click your profile picture. A menu should appear. From that menu, select Settings. This is where all the customization and configuration options live, so it is the correct place to start. Once you are in Settings, you will be able to manage your domain connection. On the left side of the screen, find and click Custom Domains. This section is specifically designed for connecting a domain that you own, such as one you purchased from your domain registrar. Taking a moment here helps ensure you do not miss any required connection steps. Next, you will add your domain. Click Add Domain. After you click that, you should see a form where you can enter the domain name. Enter your domain name carefully. Make sure you type it exactly as it appears in your domain provider settings. Then click Save. This saves your domain so System.io can recognize it for your account. Now that the custom domain has been added, you will move on to setting up email sending. In the sidebar again, locate Mailing Settings and click it. This step matters because your system needs a sender identity for outgoing emails. Without setting the sender email address, you may find that emails sent from System.io do not display the way you expect, or the setup may not work correctly. After you open Mailing Settings, you will see fields related to the email configuration. Find the field for the sender email address. Enter the sender email address you want to use for emails coming from your System.io account. Choose an address that matches your branding and that you have access to, since you may need to verify ownership depending on your email provider and your domain setup. Once you have entered the sender email address, click Save to confirm the change. Take a second to ensure the saved value appears correctly, because this is the detail that will be used as the sender when System.io sends messages. If you notice anything that looks incorrect, you can go back and update it before you proceed further. At this point, you have completed the two key configuration steps, adding your custom domain and setting your sender email address. These settings are the foundation for your branding and communication. Your domain handles the web presence, while the sender email address shapes how your emails identify you. And that covers everything you need to know.